we're here at the...
I'm so keen for this, Aussie. Are you keen for it?
Keen for it. Keen for it.
One egg over there.
How can you reverse it?
There's no reverse on it. Reverse is this. Ready? Damn power.
Good morning, fam. This weekend is a long weekend and I was getting up to make porridge and I found all these bugs crawling around the house and I was like, what the heck? In our garage, there are these little bugs everywhere. Crawling around the wall and stuff. You should have used the blower. Now I'm just making porridge, guys. It's dark in my house because it's going to be really hot today. I think it's going to be about 38. So we got our porridges now. I just sprinkled a bit of chia seeds on mine. And this is Aussie's, and then we got our toast here. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. We decided to go for a day trip down to the coast. Just because it's a long weekend, we've both got like 3 days off. We just packed up our car and now we're gonna head down to the coast. Got to pick up some things from the shop. Yeah, we just want to have a nice, fun day today. I just feel like we need to be more adventurous this year, 2021. If we feel like doing something, just jump in the car and go.
So yeah, so we're gonna go to the coast and having some swim.
We're still on the road. We've been driving for about an hour and a bit. Don't mind my little mesh thing. And so I've just been, oh wow, look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, that is actually really nice. You should turn off the...
Narrow road.
No, that's the... Back in the day, that was the cave that they used to hide in. They used to hide their ammo and stuff, apparently. Oh my gosh, we're in Mogo.
M-O-G-O, Mongo. Wingo, Sheshingo, Vape, the Kipia Pop, Yashora, Lofango, Mongo. Mongo.
There's Mogo Zoo. Look at all this land.
I love to leave this land.
What are you gonna do there?
Plant all the banana tree. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Whoa! 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 So beautiful! It's so beautiful. I'm gonna cry.
Hello, Victoria speaking. Yes.
So we've got the credit for the 2 you booked with us, the
Yep.
220, and then we just need to make payment for the other 2.
Yep, I'd like to do that now, please.
Amazing, that's definitely something I can do.
Okay. So this is the main beach, I'm pretty sure. Yep, this is the main beach. I think Husky was a lot better than this one, but it's alright.
We're coming to try every different beach here in Australia, so this is so far away, but it's alright.
Oh my gosh, guys. Is this right? Still trying to figure out our new umbrella. It's like a weird heat. It's like so humid. Yeah. What do you do? So guys, I don't know how this is angled on the front camera. This is so nice. So cool. Aussie, come here!
What's up? We're here at the... Nice to have a swim today. Enjoy the weekend, long weekend. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go.
What is up, SV Squad? We're on our way to the Central Coast, and we were meant to leave about an hour ago, but my alarm didn't go off. We got home from the coast yesterday, the South Coast. We're going up north this time, and I was like really tired. Went to bed late, and thank God Molly called like our phone so many times. I finally like woke up. It was 5:30. We were meant to be on the road by 5:30, and we had to come and pick up our parents. So we're really hoping that we can make it. Otherwise, we'd have to forfeit about $450. But, I'm gonna do my hair soon. Just time. We're about 40 minutes out, almost there. Aussie managed to shave 20 minutes off of our trip because we were going to be late. So I am super tired, still running on 4 hours sleep. They do horse riding as well here, and those look like glamping tents. Wow.
Yeah, I'll come up with a pipe.
In order to maximise your enjoyment and safety, there are a few points.
Hey guys, we're about to go on now. We've got Mom, Dad.
What was your name? Victoria. Victoria. And you can jump on this one. What was your name?
Siaosi.
We're running a little bit late, but we're so happy that we were able to make it. I'm so keen for this, Aussie. Are you keen for it?
In for it. In for it.
So my name is Andre. I'll be one of you guys for today. And before that was Bronte, she will be with us as well. So turn them all the way to the left, turn them all the way to the right, so they're locking this way, left, right side. That's it. So, might sound obvious, you want to steer, use your arms for it. Sometimes people think it's a motorbike, push bike. They want to lean only, well, that's not going to work. Yeah, you'll just keep going straight. Back to running, guys. All running. Let me stop for a second. I might get you on a different bike behind your dad if you want to hop on this one.
Hou zo maar op, je hebt naar de sloop. How can you reverse it?
There's no reverse on it. Reverse is this. Ready? Manpower.
Thank you.
Sometimes quads have a tendency to tip on two wheels. We're going to avoid that today by transferring our weight into those corners. So what we want to see you guys doing in this drill, and especially out at the track. So if you're turning to your left-hand side like this, you want to bring your left hip off the seat like this, hovering over that guard. We don't want to see you guys leaning through your shoulders. We really want to see you moving your hips.
cone though. We'll do it again, bro. Hey, with your feet. It's not a motorbike.
Yeah.
Don't take your feet off. Ever. Let's do it one more time and just go a bit slower so you can go all the cones. Chuck you in here. Alright, next to your family.
How did you like that, Ossie?
Yeah, very nice.
That was crazy good.
Fun. All the way to me, they didn't make it shit, but
Maya Ajad.
Alright. Ya, makanya sila katonga, guys. Magway mga ya. Opa. Terus sudah mea. Yeah, man. Whoa.
Just finished our trip. We got my dad here, Ossie, Mom. We were so stoked. It was such an awesome time. Had so much fun. Hopefully Ossie got most of the footage. Dad's already told them that he's going to see them in 2 months. Yeah. This is awesome, guys. If you want to come here and have a nice quad biking, it's just near you guys, Sydney. Central Coast, you can go horse riding. The kg limit for horse riding is 100 kilos. So to my island people, keep note of that. They got glamping tents over there. Definitely want to come camping here. That was so much fun. Mum, what did you think about that trip?
Oh, awesome.
So awesome?
Yes.
The Sprite.
The light.
I'll lift.
You lift, yeah.
Can we please get one lift can? I'll also get a Coke slushy. And Mum, what do you want? Okay. Just having a quick bite to eat. Dad and his jam donut. That was so much fun, guys. Mum, how did you find that?
Awesome. Oi, oh, na coffee down.
I got it for you.
We're here at the Central Coast Park.
It's so beautiful, guys. There's a sea here. Cái con pha ok. Đây là offe của cá bắn. Ah, oh yeah, đây bao. So we're going to have some lunch here. You know this seafood lunch. We enjoy to have this public holiday to spend some time and have some swim and have some fun. More fun, guys.
Just having lunch now. I got a chicken burger. Also got fish and chips. Mom's, I got calamari rings, fish and chips, and a fish burger. Here at the joint, the square. Bro, it's so hot. Oh my gosh, it's freaking hot. Apparently a lot of you guys are live here, so shout out to the Bidwell peeps. It's like a fob shop, but fobs don't own it. We've got either.
Ủa sao cô vậy? Gì ngủ?
Mom, vai pula lá.
Oh tight.
Well, see, what drink do you want?